Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a website for your shoe repair service. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with different side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to quickly search for my market, shoe repair. There we go. I'm now going to go ahead and select the shoe repair shop template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our shoe repair shop so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail, as I have a retail shop with different hours. Go ahead and click on continue. Great, how can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to pop our phone number in over here as well as my email address and move along. Awesome, where is my shoe repair shop located? I'm going to go ahead and put in my street address as well as my postal code and click on continue. Great, let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. We are closed on Sundays. Great, let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours and make the necessary changes. Look at that, Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my shoe repair shop in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. Those shoes are absolutely fabulous. However, if you've got your own images, maybe of yourself in action, repairing shoes, or you want to make one or two changes to the content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be working my way through each section from the top to the bottom, making my way through so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either to help you with this. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to head over to the top very quickly and click on update section. Now over here, the first thing I want to do is click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner of my Marty Sites website next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. We've already put it in our physical location. It's displayed in the top left, and when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's move along. Over here, we can put in the various social media platforms that our shoe repair shop is active on. Icons will be displayed in the top next to that email address as well as in the bottom, so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your shop is up to. Let's move along. Now, if you don't have a logo yet and you're in the startup process of your business, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. If you don't have a logo yet, Marty Sites will literally just display your business name and it still looks really professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Awesome. Now, with your logo, once it's been updated or uploaded, shall I say, you can click on this little pencil over here and make use of a variety of tools. So we can crop the image or the logo to make it fit better in that section. We can also zoom in if need be. We can add filters and draw on the logo if necessary. So I'm going to crop this a little bit so it fits better. We can also rotate it and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and save my logo. Let's take a closer look. That looks absolutely perfect, fits very well. We can make it bigger and smaller if need be, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it like that. Awesome. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your shoe repair shop. Now, perhaps these colors don't quite go with your business cards, your logo, the signage in your shop. Although I do think this color is pretty neutral and pretty fitting for shoes. However, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change it by clicking on this little paint bucket over here on the bottom right. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So that is very similar to the one that I just had. If it's so slightly different, let's take a look. I think that's the one that I had, but I really like it, so I'm gonna actually just go ahead and save that one. I think it goes well with my branding. Awesome. Let's head on over to update section over here and head over to update image. Now, if you've got your own images, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from and they're all completely free to use. Now, Mighty Sites will automatically search for shoe repair shop. I do recommend you just change the terms a little bit and say shoe repair or just search for shoes and see what pops up. So that image is really suitable, but it's already been used on the website. So I'm going to go ahead and type in leather shoe and see what pops up with that search and if there's any suitable images. Awesome. So I think I'm going to go ahead and select one of these. I'm just quite spoiled for choice here. Let me try this one and see how well it fits over there in the top section. It actually looks absolutely stunning. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that one, save it, and head over to update content. Now, over here, you can change the title, subtitle to suit your needs, which is this content over here. And we can change that button. Maybe we don't want it to say get in touch. Maybe we just want it to say contact us today. Go ahead and choose a link. Now, we can link to another website if need be. Maybe you take online bookings or something like that for your services and you use a third party, you could link to that. Otherwise, an action like click to call, directions, click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and link this to click to email. Now you can also upload a PDF file. Perhaps you have a PDF file of your different rates or the different services you offer. Go ahead and upload it there under PDF file. So when your customers click on the button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file. Over here again, pre-written content as a guideline, button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the bladder section where the fabulous shoes are. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got into the industry, how long you've been doing shoe repairs? Do you have specialized equipment and tools to ensure that you can handle a wide range of repairs and materials? Do you work with all brands? Do you work with high fashion brands and then other different brands? Go ahead and pop all the details over here so your customers know your story. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services you offer and the different shoes you work with. Do you work with women's shoes, you repair men's shoes, cowboy boots, belts, purses, handbags? I know some stores offer that as well. Wallets, luggage, boots. What type of repairs do you do? Do dye work, zippers, heels, insoles, stitching? Go ahead and put all those details over here so your customers know what they can come to your shoe repair store, what services they can use. If you need to make any last changes to those trading hours, physical location, click on update section and make the changes. So if you have a custom domain, which I know is pretty important when it comes to a website for your brand, all you need to do is click on connect your domain over here. Say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. Now, if you are struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. Head over to the blog, you'll find a step by step guide, but you'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Now, let me just say, all the blog posts over here have such valuable information. There's so many to go through. 29 pages of content for blog posts on, on advertising your business on social media, in your community, in directories. So have a look. You'll find lots of helpful tips there. If you don't have a custom domain yet, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your shoe repair shop. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. Take a look one last time at our shoe repair shop website we've just launched on the Mighty Sites platform. Remember, it's only $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video. You've got nothing to lose. See how well and how easy the Mighty Sites platform is. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.